guys, this boy Bink I'm back for another video. Today I'll show you how to make your Twitter like private. If you go to any post in the Twitter and hit in the post and go to like, you see everyone who liked the post here. You can see the only way, if you need to hide your like in the private, you need to go to create a dummy Twitter account. It not contain any personal information. You need to fill it with fake information. That will protect you from anyone who is spying on you. And this video for today, hope that helpful for you, and don't forget to support the channel to see new stuff and fix new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.